Good morning. Welcome to the online class of New Vivekanand Convent Higher Secondary School. Okay, so today's topic is the noun gender. As we all know about the noun gender, what is the noun gender? Okay, the gender tells us about the difference between the male and the female. Gender tells us the difference between the male and the female. Okay, so the gender which tells us about the difference between the male and the female. So the noun gender has the four parts. Okay, what are the four kinds? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Okay, so let's see the first one, which is the masculine gender. Okay, what is masculine gender? So what is masculine gender? Male group of words are called masculine gender. Are called masculine gender. For example, like man, boy, etc. Okay, so feminine gender. Feminine gender. Okay, what is feminine gender? Female group of words, female group of words are called feminine gender. Are called feminine gender. Are called feminine gender. Okay, so for example, women and girl. Women and girl are the feminine genders. Okay, women and girl are the feminine genders. Okay, masculine genders you can understand and the feminine gender you can also understand. Okay, next coming to the common gender. What is common gender? Let us know what is common gender. What is common gender? So, common gender. Okay. The group of words which shows both man and woman, which shows both man and women are both man and woman, that means masculine and feminine both. Masculine and feminine both genders they show, okay, is known as common gender, is known as common gender, okay. For example, teacher, driver, student, okay. The teacher could be man and women too, that means masculine and feminine too. The driver also can be the masculine and the feminine too, and the student such as the same, okay. Last we are coming towards the neutral gender. Neuter gender. So, what is the neuter gender? The group of words which shows us about the non-living things are called the neutral gender, okay. The group of words which shows us about the non-living things are called neutral gender, okay. The group of words which shows us about the non-living things are called the neutral gender, okay. So, the non-living things, that is, for example, board, table, chair, etc. Okay, these are all the non-living things. They do not have any sense of living, so they are the non-living things. And when this type of gender is to be discussed, that is known as the neutral gender. I hope you all have understood what is the noun gender. Okay, so please stay at your home, stay safe, and thank you.